Here's how to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing with just 2 hours of your time. Step number 1, choose a topic that you're interested in or a niche. For the sake of this example, I'm going to choose health and fitness. Go to Google and type in high ticket products for the niche or the topic that you chose. Pick one of the blogs. I'm going to choose this one. As you can see, you can earn up to 8K per sale. Choose one of the programs inside of the blog and then sign up to become an affiliate and get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, create a theme page about the topic or the niche that you chose and start to post video content consistently. And no, you do not have to show your face if you don't want to. These are my results from using the same strategy, which is using high ticket affiliate products. And just to show you guys, I'm gonna refresh the page here. Just to show you that this is legit. This is called high ticket affiliate marketing. As you can see, you can hit your income goals with promoting high ticket products. Now, every single time when someone clicks and buys from your affiliate link, you make big commissions. If you want to learn more, then follow and then click the link in my bio.